Oh, hi there. My name is Tanya, and I'll be teaching you 5 minutes of Python, the beginning. What is Python? Python is a free open source coding software that works on different OSs. OS means operating system. Who uses Python? Python is used in software applications, pages within a web browser, some games like YouTube, Instagram, NASA, PBS, Reddit, and even games like Tetris. They all use Python for their websites. How do I download Python? To download an official, up-to-date version of Python on a Mac, Windows, or Linux operating system, go to www.python.org. Python is already loaded on Mac and Linux operating systems, but before using it, check to see what version is being used. Now, let's go to python.org and see what is the latest version of Python out there. To see what version that they have available currently, you would go to the website as we did. And as you can see, it is called python.org. And you would go down to where it says downloads. And once you mouse over downloads, you'll see a list and you'll see the different releases that they have available. And the current download that they have for Windows is 3.9.0. And as you can see, the note says that 3.9 and higher cannot be used on Windows 7 or older. So if you have something older than Windows 7 on your computer, this version of Python would not be able to be used. If you want to see the full download list of Python, then you would click the link below. So if you scroll the list, you'll see that they have some security patches if needed, um, as well as different versions of Python that you may be looking for. So if you want to download Python, the latest version, you would click on download Python. And as you can see, the largest size is 26.9 megabytes. Once it's downloaded, you click open. And we're waiting for it to actually start to run. I already have Python downloaded on my computer, but what we're going to do is we're going to click on install now to install Python. And while it's installing, it checks the background to see what versions of Python that I may already have. And then it will go from there. Now this may take a few minutes, but once you've downloaded Python 3.9.0, you will be ready to go. And that is our first 5 minutes of Python. And I look forward to teaching you 5 more minutes of Python. Thank you and have a great evening.